Are you tired of renting, but you also don't want to spend thousands of dollars renovating a home just so you could move into? Well, today I'm looking at a brand new home here in Rivertown. Yes, in St. Augustine, Florida. This townhome is priced in the low to under $300,000. With that being said, you don't have to do anything when you move into something like this. Everything's brand new. Everything's under warranty. Appliances are included. And if your credit is not half shot or in the drain, you could qualify for a bunch of incentives that these builders are offering. So let me quit talking. Let me show you this floor plan. And this is the view from the other end of the townhome. This floor plan is 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and it's just sitting right under 3,200 square feet. Alrighty, so this is a rear entrance, yes, but it is a corner unit, like I said. And you have to understand that this is a model, right? So you're gonna see all the furniture up and everything. They're not gonna give you the furniture, but just bear with me. So upon entering, there is your HVAC closet right there. This is your living room. So this is where TV would go, your TV hookups, and then your couch would go right there. Now, this is the utility closet as well, but also this is where your washer and dryer would go. Looks like they got a dual stacked washer and dryer, which is pretty cool. Then your kitchen right here, you got a nice little island. This is going to be your pantry, nice size pantry. That's the view looking over the island. I almost forgot, you got a nice little half bath right here. So during movie night, when you're watching a movie, Netflix or something, you don't have to go all the way upstairs to use the bathroom. You could just walk right on over to your half bath, so you don't have to disturb the whole family. So let's go upstairs while I'm at it. Now the stairs will be carpeted, yes, I know, but if you want to remove it, I got a guy and we can replace it with vinyl, whatever you'd like. So if you have dogs or puppies like me, it'll be no problem. This is your first bedroom on the left as soon as you walk up the stairs. Give you an idea of the closet size, pretty decent. Again, to the left is another bedroom right here. Same size closet. And this is the bathroom that's going to accommodate, this is the bathroom that's going to accommodate those two bedrooms. Shower tub combo. Nice little vanity right there. And this, I'm sure you can understand, is the primary bedroom. Here you are. Turn on the lights. So this, you get a walk-in shower, which is obviously a lot nicer than the shower tub combo. And then a nice walk-in closet. So this is a very usable floor plan. So if you work from home, you could definitely convert one of the bedrooms into a little home office if you don't need all 3 bedrooms. And since the primary is upstairs, you're out of the way if someone's on the TV in the living room, so it's not gonna bother you as much, which is nice. So if you'd like some more information on this floor plan, where exactly it is, and the current incentives that these builders are offering, and if you want some more information on this community of Rivertown, their amenity center is amazing. If you're a fisherman like me, I really like this community because you're right on the St. Johns River. So reach out to me. My name is Benjamin Schneider. All my contact information will be down below in the description. My number is 609-891-7179. You could text me, call me, or FaceTime me. I don't know, I think I'd be pretty weirded out if you FaceTime me, but listen, whatever it takes for you to reach out, I'd love to help you. By the way, I'm an independent real estate agent, so don't get it twisted. I do not work for these builders. I am your sole advocate. To keep it short and quaint, the builder's reps, they work for the builder, of course. Their first priority is getting the builder the best price at the best terms for their offer. Now me, on the other hand, being your independent real estate agent, my job is to find you, my client, the buyer, the best deal and the best terms, right? So if you want some more information, like I said, reach out to me. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.